to send a message to a seller on Poshmark. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can send a message to a seller on Poshmark by following some steps. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before watching this video, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe option. So let's get started. So in order to purchase a Poshmark item, you need to verify your payments method for that. Right now, I haven't verified my payment methods, so I'm gonna briefly tell you on how you can send a message to seller on Poshmark. So let's begin. So if you are on a mobile device, what you can do is just go to your account tab and tap on select my purchases and select the relevant order that you did, and on that order, go to the details page and select the message seller option. After that, type in your message in the text box and select the blue arrow to send the messages. Like if you want to send any feedback or if you have any type of issue you may be facing on your items that you purchased, then you may just select the camera to send photos to your seller. So if there is any kind of inconvenience and you want to talk to the seller of that product, then you may just follow the steps if you are on the app from your phone, and you will be able to send a message to the seller on Poshmark by following those steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.